A few weeks back I crashed my Voge DS625X and I thought the bike might be the problem, but it turns out I was wrong.
It is 8ish AM, ready to ride up to Salisbury Plain. Pretty anxious about it. It's the first big ride of the Voge since I had that off and did all the repairs. So every odd noise I hear at the moment I get a bit panicked or worried that I've missed something. So we'll see what today brings. I'm hoping it's okay. Gear change just felt a bit strange.
This is my first proper ride since the crash a few weeks back. The bike has been repaired and everything seems fine, but I'd be lying if I said I wasn't thinking about it. I start to notice every little thing, every little noise, even when nothing's actually wrong. It just plays on my mind.
Not actually going up solo today. Going to meet a chap called Jake, who I met on the Chinese New Year ride on his CF Moto, somewhere around here. Hey man!
Alright.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, good. Maybe turn around.
Do you need fuel or anything, or food?
I'm alright for fuel. I'll probably stop on the way if I get thirsty or anything.
After a quick catch up at the service station, it was back on the bikes and we hit the road. The weather was beautiful, the roads were amazing, and I really started to relax into the ride, forgetting all the things that I worried might be wrong with the Voge, and instead just enjoying the scenery. I can't say that the previous week's ride ever really left my mind, because that would be lying, and I was still listening out for odd noises. But once we got to Salisbury and we started riding the trails there, something started to change. The more I rode the Voge, the more I started to feel comfortable and confident on it again. And that's when I realised something which actually I think is really important. I slowly came to realise something about the Voge, something that I think I got wrong. And it's that I was trying to ride this with ambition that outweighs my talent. Now I've joked about this before with friends and other riders, that my ambition outweighs my talent. But actually, I think the realisation and what's been brought into sharp focus for me is that the failures of this bike were purely down to me putting it in an environment I'm not capable of riding in. So the bike didn't fail me, I actually failed the bike. Whilst it is incredibly capable, in my hands, the DS625X isn't a hardcore off-road machine. It's an adventure bike. It's about covering distance, exploring, and just finding out what's ahead. And with my Land's End to John O'Groats ride just over a month away, understanding the bike, being confident on the bike, and enjoying the bike is a really good place to be. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with the story of the Voge. There's more Voge content to come and more planning for my Land's End to John O'Groats trip. If you haven't already, maybe consider liking and subscribing. And as always, stay safe out there.